A public health crisis in Minnesota has turned into a legal fight. Today, 20 county attorneys announced they are suing the companies that make and distribute opioids.
The manufacturers and distributors caused this epidemic, and we're asking that it stop.
Opioid-based pain medications are powerful and highly addictive. Angela Davis explains why some drug companies are now facing a flurry of civil lawsuits.
The death of Prince last year from an accidental overdose of an opioid pain medication was a wake-up call. It's when many of us started asking questions about prescription painkillers like fentanyl and oxycodone.
This is a public nuisance, and they need to help us clean it up.
County attorneys and commissioners announced their plans to file civil lawsuits in each of their counties: Ramsey, Hennepin, Washington, Dakota, Mower, and St. Louis. Their target? Opioid drug manufacturers and distributors, who they accuse of fraudulent marketing and negligent distribution.
So what we seek by filing these suits is accountability and restitution. That's what we're looking for. This isn't a money grab. This is ask them to help us pay for the crisis they've put in our laps.
395 Minnesotans died from an opioid overdose last year, half of them from prescription pills.
I got to tell you, it's so bad that when my phone rings at night, I go into post-traumatic stress because it'll be something like Sheriff Starry calling and saying, "Another dead kid, Pete, another dead kid."
In the Duluth area, they've seen the impact opioid addiction is having on families and child protective services.
This is affecting the babies in our community. The neonatal abstinence syndrome. Babies are being born addicted to these drugs.
More counties are expected to file lawsuits. Angela Davis, WCCO 4 News.
The lawsuit seeks repayment for a number of expenses, from the cost for policing to social services to medical care and even treatment of patients. About 70 similar lawsuits have been filed across the nation.